Good morning. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the answer for question 2, 3, 4. Okay, I will give you the answer for question 2, 3, 4 together with question number 5, 6, 8, and 9. Okay, so we start off from question number 2. I hope you guys already tried to do. Okay, so question number 2. Okay, let's look at the question together. So they ask you to find the pair of congruent triangles. Okay, you are going to find only the pair without stating any reason. Okay, you're going to find the pair of congruent triangles in each of the following figures. Okay, so part A, which triangles and which triangles are actually congruent? Okay, we can see this triangle ABC. Okay, this is your first order, second and third. So if ABC, okay, so it will be similar with, okay, this is your ABC. It will be similar, congruent, it will be congruent with C, D, A. Okay, so remember the order is very important. Okay, so A, B, C, first, second, third, it's congruent. You look at the sign here, it's congruent to the triangle, the symbol of triangle. This is a symbol of triangle. Okay, CDA. Okay, so if it happens that you write BAC, let's say, okay, I write down the number here already. So if you write down from B and then AC, okay, it's 2, 1, 3 here. Okay, 2, 1, 3. So your other pair, the other triangle, it will be DCA. Okay, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so you must follow the order. Okay, so if your order is correct, please tick. Okay, the order must be correct, in the correct order. Okay, I'll write down here. Okay, so if 1, 2, 3 ABC, this is your 1, 2, 3 CDA. Okay, so when you write down, you must follow the order. Okay, let's say if you're writing BAC first, so it's 2, 1, 3. So DCA will be 2, 1, 3 as well. Okay, you must follow the order. Okay, so please tick. There are a lot of combination of the answer because of the order, so you just follow the order. Alright, okay, as long as your answer is this or in the order. Okay, so part B, so the triangle that is congruent to each other is A, B, C. The triangle of A, B, C, this triangle, and it's congruent to CDA. Okay, so CDA. C is your first one, DA second, third. Okay, so this is your answer. Please tick ABC, CDA. Okay, part C, same thing. It must be following the order. If you write, let's say BCA, then this one must be triangle DAC. Okay, must follow the sequence and the order. Okay, part C, this triangle here, GHO. Okay, same with the triangle KJO here. Okay, please tick. Part D, HGF. Okay, HGF, triangle of HGF is congruent to triangle KHJ. Okay, you see the order. It starts from K and then going to H here. So the triangle of H must go to the G here. Okay. Alright, so tick the answer. Okay, question number 3. Okay, in the diagram, ABCD is congruent. It's congruent to YXTZ. Okay, it's already following the order first, second, third, fourth. So this is first, second, third, fourth. Okay, it's first, second, third, fourth. So it's congruent to Y, starting from here, YXTZ. Okay, so it's already flipped over. Okay, it's already flipped triangle. Okay, so you see this 2, 3, TX here 7, so this must be 7. Okay, so your BC is 7. Okay, BAD, the angle of BAD is this angle. Okay, this angle is 214. You see this BAD. So it's 214B XYZ, so it's 71. Okay, check 71. Okay, ADC is this angle over here, ADC, so it's 143. So this is 143. So this angle is the angle that you need to find. So to find this angle over here, this is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, the total sum is 360 degree, minus 98, minus 66, and minus 71. So you will get 125. Okay, because this one is same as this angle here. Since they are congruent, the angles are the same. Okay, please take the answer. Or if you haven't do or you don't know how to do, you can do it now, right? Okay. Question number 4. In each of the following, name the pair of congruent triangles. Okay, you need to name the pair of the congruent triangles. Okay. It's already one pair here, so it's obviously both of these triangles are congruent. It's just that they are asking you to name it in the same order. Okay, the same order. The order is important, remember? And state the reason. Okay, so when you state the reason for the congruence, you must state 3 reasons. Remember, there are 6 items on congruency, but you only need to name 3 of them, only 3. Okay, so the 3 reason is either SSS, ASA, SAS, okay, and so on. Okay, so first we name the pair of triangle first. Okay, part A, we have this pair of triangle. Of course they are congruent, okay, because they already say them the pair of congruent triangles, so they are the pair, they are the triangle. Okay, so if you start from A, the first one, okay, if this is your first one, then the other triangle, your first one will be starting from F. Okay, you see this angle here, so it's F, the first one. Okay, I will write the number so you won't confuse. The second one, if let's say you are looking for B, then this will be your second one also. And if this is your third one, then this is your third one, as long as it's pairing third. If you start off from B and then AC, it means that 213, then this one must be EFD, 213 also. Okay, so for my answer, the triangle of ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Okay, mine is 123, 123. Yours can be 213, 213, or 321, 321. Okay, it's up to you. As long as it must be following the same orders. If you start from C, then it must be start from D. Okay. Okay, so the reason, okay, the reason is here. You must state 3 reasons. Okay, 3 reasons here. Okay, to confirm that they're congruent, you must state 3 reasons. Okay, so here we can see that it's obviously that the first angle is the same. Okay, the first angle is the same, first angle same, and then we have a side and the side, and the third one is angle. So this is angle, side, angle. This one angle, side, angle. Okay, so the reason here is angle, side, angle, and the first angle that is the same. Okay, either one. Okay, you can write either one first. This one also can, or this one also can first. Okay, either one. Okay, let's say according to mine, the angle of BAC, the blue one, BAC equals to the angle of EFD. Okay, angle of BAC equals to angle of EFD. And then we have side. Okay, which side is the same? It's given there. Okay, it's obviously it's given there. So it's BA equals to 2 1, right? Okay, so this one must be 2 1 also. EF. Okay, it must be EF. Okay, and the third one, angle, side, angle, the third angle, this one. Okay, angle here, same with this angle, so angle ABC equals to angle FED. Okay, order is important. Okay, this one, the one in the middle here, is important. So if you write CAB, then this one must be DFE. Okay, because the angle A and angle F is the same, and angle B and angle E is the same. Okay, please tick and do correction if it's wrong. Okay, so let's look at part B. HGK, okay, is congruent to triangle MLN. Okay, so HGK MLN. Okay, so the reason is side angle side. Okay, because the side here given, angle given, side given. Okay, it's not RHS. Why is not RHS? R stands for right angle. Yes, it's a right angle, but you are not given hypotenuse. Okay, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the opposite length of the angle. Okay, it's the opposite angle, the length of the opposite angle here. Okay, it's a hypotenuse, and it's not given, so we cannot use RHS. So instead, we use SAS, side angle side. Okay, because this angle is included between two sides. Okay, so GH equals to LM, and angle G, which is FHGK, equals to angle MLN, and the other side is GK equals to LN. Okay, right, part C. Okay, you see they give you three sides. Given three sides, it's the same. So this one is side, 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 because side, side, side can confirm that they are congruent. Okay, side, side, side. So triangle PQR is congruent to triangle SUT. And then the side here, okay, just check it out. PQ equals to SU, QRUT, and PRST. Okay, please tick. Okay, part D. You are given right angle. Okay, let's see if it's a RHS. Okay, RHS right angle, and the hypotenuse, yes, is given. It's given hypotenuse, and it's given one of the side. Okay, either side, and this side is given. So okay, triangle VXW is congruent to triangle AYZ. And then which triangle is the same? VXW and AYZ. Okay, VWX. Okay, let's say I write VWX. Okay, so it's VWX, then it's AZY. But I write down in VXW, so it's V first and then X and W, so 132. Though this one is also 132. Okay, so right angle and the hypotenuse, and then side. Okay, order must be the same. Okay, Vx equals to AY. Vx is 13. My AY is also 13. According to the same. Okay. So that's for question number 4. Okay, let's look at number 5. Okay, let's do this together. Number 5, we're going to do all these questions together. Okay. Okay, so question number 5. In each of the following, okay, you are going to draw this in your, copy all the question also in your notebook. Okay. So identify the triangles that are congruent and explain the case of the congruence. So they ask you to identify the triangles that are congruent. Let's see if part A, if they are congruent or not. Okay, so part A, we have angle, okay, 35 angle. We have side here, and we have another side. Can we say that this is AS? Okay, it sounds very wrong. Okay, so let's say it's angle side, the other side, but we cannot write as because this angle is not included between two sides, right? It's not in between two sides, so we cannot write as. So this is basically is SSA. I don't write ASS because it's quite sound very wrong, right? So SSA. But the question here is SSA fulfill the condition of congruence triangles? Okay, if you look at the 5 the congruent condition, okay, the test for the congruence, okay, if you remember this, it's only side, angle side, angle, and RHS, but we already know that SSA and angle, okay, these two do not fit or do not prove that they are congruent. Okay, it's not enough information to show that they are congruent. Okay, so for part A, since it's a SSA, okay, the answer is not. Okay, not enough information okay, to prove congruent, to prove the congruency. Okay, so part A is not enough to prove, even though it looks like, it seems like they are congruent, but there's not enough information because it's not among all the 5. Okay, it's not among all the 5. Okay, part B, let's see. Okay, we have right angle. Okay, so whenever we see right angle, okay, it might be RHS. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have right angle, okay, R, and then we have hypotenuse here, H. And then do we have side? No, we don't have any side. So this is not RHS, but okay, maybe it's not RHS, but maybe this is not considered as right angle. This is right angle, of course, but this one considered maybe as A angle. And then this one is angle also 40 degree, and we have S here. Okay, so this is AAS, angle side. Okay, and since this is 50 degree, okay, this is obviously 40 degree. Okay, because 180 minus 90 minus 50 is equals to 40 degree. Okay, so if it's 40 degrees, so we can say that this is actually the same. Okay, the angle 40 and angle 40 here is the same. So angle here A, this angle 90 degree A, and also the side 9 same, so it's also AAS. So both of these are congruent. Okay, so when we write this down, okay, we must write according to the order. Okay, this triangle, this triangle and this triangle is the same, so I write VWX, the 1 2 3. So VWX is congruent to AYZ. Okay, so I write down the triangle of VWX is congruent to triangle AYZ. Okay, they are right, VXX, VXW, VW, sorry. Okay, I write down already, 1 2 3 VWX, so it's AYZ. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, I just erase too many numbers, confusing. Angle side. Okay, this is angle side. Okay, so I give you some time to do. Okay, you can pause the video and try to do first. Okay, and then we can check the answer together. Okay, so first one, second, and third. Okay, so first is angle. I can write angle of VWX is equals to angle, this is angle sign, is equals to the angle of 1 2 3, so RAYZ. Okay, because it's a given 90 degree. Okay, the reason here. Okay, and the next one is also angle side, so angle of VXW 132, so equals to angle VX132, so it's AZY. Okay, and it's equals to 40 degree. Okay, both 40, just now I say already this is 40 degree. Okay, and then we have side is VX equals to AZ, and it's equals to given 9 cm. Okay, so explain the case for congruency. This is the explanation here. Okay, so this is basically angle side, angle side. Okay, that's for part B. Okay, let's look at part C and D. Okay, so part C, what do you think it is? Angle given. Okay, angle is given. This is right angle. Okay, angle or R, right angle. But hypotenuse, this one the hypotenuse is not given, but this one the hypotenuse is given too. This is hypotenuse, but this is side. They are different, right? So they are different, so it's not a congruent. It's obviously not congruent. Okay, it's not enough information, but it's not congruent because since the side is 2, your hypotenuse here cannot be 2 because we know that hypotenuse is always longer than the sides, okay? Because here is obviously hypotenuse is 2, so the hypotenuse here cannot be 2, so it's not congruent at all, okay? So this is a tricky question here, okay? It's not congruent. Okay, let's look at part D. Okay, part D, we have a right angle also, but we are not given any hypotenuse, so it's not RHS definitely. So it's considered as angle. This is angle, and then this is side, this is side. Okay, side, angle, side. Look at this. This one is also same side, 9, both 9. Angle, right angle, and then we have side 4. Okay, so this is SAS, is a congruent triangle. Okay, so when we write this down, the triangle of MPN is congruent with triangle TSR. Okay, if you can write down the alphabet straight away, also can without numbering. Okay, if you think that numbering is easier, which a lot of my students think that numbering is easier, okay, go ahead and write. Okay, M, this is the first one, so your first one for the other side is T. Okay, if your second one is P, so your second one must be the S here. And if this is third one N, then this one will be the R, third one. So MPN, TSR. Okay, so this is the congruent triangles. Then next one is the reason. The reason is SAS, right? Single side angle side. Okay, side. So first side, MP is equals to TS. Okay, which is given 9 cm. The next one is angle of MPN equals to angle of TSR, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and it's also given right angle 90 degree. And the last one is side, PN 2, 3 equals to SR, and it's given 4 cm. Okay, so this is the reason here. You must take 3 reasons. Okay, so this is side, angle, side. Okay, part E. Okay, part E here. Okay, it's obviously side, 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 SSS. Okay, let's look at the S if they are the same. S here 9, 9 is the same. The other S 7, and here 7, and the other one is 8. So this is also 8. Okay, and the order. Okay, let's look at the order. If let's say I start from A, B, C as my first, second, third, the A here is your first one, so it must be the same as, okay, look at this 9 and 8, so it must be in between 9 and 8, so this is your first one. Y is your first one. Your second one is in between 9 and 7, your B is in between 9 and 7, so your Z will be the second one because it's also between 7 and 9. And this is your third one. So we can say that the triangle of ABC is congruent with triangle of YZX. Okay, if your numbering start from C, let's say CBA, mine is CBA, so it's 3, 2, 1, so yours must be also 3, 2, 1, which is XZY. Okay, as long as it's in order, we accept the answer. Okay, so this is triangle. Okay, so we have to write down the reason. So the reason is basically SSS. Okay, side, side, side. So we have to mention all the sides which are the same. Okay, so AB is equals to YZ, which is given 9 cm, and then we have BC equals to ZX, which is given 7 cm, and the last one we have AC equals to 1, 3, so it's YX, which is given 8 cm. Okay, so this is SSS. Okay, You tick for your answer. After you finish this, or after you do or copy all this, you can tick your answer. Okay, all this answer must tick. Okay. Alright, to show that we have discussed this answer together already. Okay, F. Okay, let's see if they are congruent. Okay, we are given side 6 and then angle 30 and then side 4. Okay, let's see the other one. You have side 6, okay, same. You have angle 30, same, and you have another S side 4, same. Okay, so this is side angle side. Okay, so now numbering, right? So if I number it as FDE 1 2 3 FDE, so the first one is F, so the other one, your first one must be K. Then the second one is G because it's on the 30 degree, and the third one is H. Okay, so triangle FDE is congruent to triangle of KGH. Okay, then the reason is SAS. Okay, you list all down 3, must be 3. So the first one, the first S, I will write FD equals to 1 2, so it's 1 2 kg, which is given 6 cm. The second one is angle. Okay, so it's angle FDE. Is equals to angle of KGH, and it's given 30 degree. And the last one is DE equals to GH, and it's given 4 cm. Okay, so this is obviously side angle side. Okay, so we proceed. Question number 6. Copy and complete the following. Okay, in triangle ABC, okay, it's already numbering there 1 2 3 ABC, and triangle ADC also 1 2 3. So in these both triangles, okay, so angle ABC equals to angle of ADC. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, and then the next one, the angle ACB is this, is equals to which angle? ACB. So it's 1 3 2, so this is also 1 3 2 1 3 2, so it's ACD, angle of ACD. AC is common. Common means they have common side. You see, they share exactly the same side. Okay, it's common. Okay, so we can see that it's obviously this one stands for the angle, this one stands for the angle, and this one stands for side because they have common side. This is AAS. Okay, so this one they already write down AAS. So therefore, it's a dot 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 here. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle of ADC. Okay, they are congruent because of this AAS. Okay, so therefore, okay, since they are AAS, they are congruent, therefore the angle of BAC will be the same as the triangle of the other side here then, right? So BAC, so DAC, triangle DAC. And this AB, same with AD. Okay, and BC equals to DC. Okay, so tick. That's for question number 6. Okay, let's look at number 8. Okay, number 8. In each of the following diagrams, name the pair of the congruent triangles. Okay, state the reason for the congruence and find the unknown angle. Okay, so you have to find the pair, find the reason. Okay, just like the previous question, and add on with one more, finding x. Okay, so the pair of the congruent here, Okay, I will see which one first. If I were to write A is my first one, then B is my second one, C is my third one, therefore the other one must be corresponding the same one. So this one will be start from C and then D and then A. Okay, why is that? Because you see 1 to 2 here is AB. You see there's double side here, double line, double bar. So if we start off with A and then go to B, so it must be C goes to D, so it's 1, 2. You see the numbering there? Okay, no wonder the students prefer numbering that alphabet. Okay, so the first one A, the other first one is C. So if your second one is B, your second one for the other triangle will be D. The third one, if it's C, then the other one is A. Okay, so when we name it, the first one, name the pair. So the pair is triangle A, B, C is congruent with triangle of CD, A. Okay, so if you write triangle CDA congruent to triangle ABC, is the same. Okay. Okay, then next one is second, state the reason for the congruence. So you need to state the reason. Okay, so you are given side same. Okay, angle you cannot say it's the same because you are not given this same with 118. They did not say that they are the same, so you cannot use angle as the reason. Okay, let's look at the side, the other side, same with this because double bar, and we have a sharing side S. So this one we must use S. Okay, so we list down all the side that is the same. You can pause the video and do it yourself first. Okay, so A, B, C. Okay, let's say my first side is C, AB. So side of AB equals to side of CD. Okay, it's given. Okay, the other side is DA. Same with BC. So I will write BC first. BC equals to DA, and it's also given because of the double bar. And then we have AC. Okay, which is equals to AC equals to CA. Okay, different at the order because they are the common side. Okay, so this one is side. And part 3, find X. So your X here is equals to 118. Why now we can say that they are the same? Because we already proved that they are congruent. Okay, because we already proved these three SSS here, they are congruent. So therefore, we can say that X is equals to 118. But before we prove that, okay, before we write X is equals to 118, okay, before we know that it's 118, we must not say that they are congruent unless they are proven. Okay, how are they proven? They are proven by listing all the reason down this side. Okay, so now part B. Okay, so part B, name the pair of congruent triangles. The first one. Okay, the first one. So triangle of, okay, let's say we start off with E. E, F, H, first, second, third. So this one will be your first one, G. Okay, your second one is also F because of the angle there, and then your H here is also the third one. So triangle of EFH is congruent with triangle of GFH. Okay, and then we have to see which reason we need to write down. Okay, so this one is given side because double bar, and then we have both angles the same. Okay, 30 degree, and then we have a common side here, both also side. So side, angle, side. So this one is side, angle, side. I'll write down the side first. The side will be EF equals to GF is given, and then we have angle of EFH is equals to angle of GFH, and it's given 30 degree. And the last one is FH equals to FH, same order, because they have common side. So it's side, angle, side. Okay, this is part 2 answer. So part 3, we can conclude that x is equals to the same as the other top one. 1, 3 equals to 1, 3, so it's 4. Okay, 4 centimeter. Assume that they are centimeter. Okay, so that's for question number 8A, B. Okay, let's look at CD. Okay, so part C, first one, we have to name the triangle. They are the congruent. Okay, so first one, let's say is K. The other first one will be start off with N. Your second one is 36 here, the angle after the side double bar. So the double bar here, so this is your second one, and third one is also M. Okay, so I will name it KLM. Triangle KLM is congruent to triangle NPM. Okay, first, second, third, first, second, third. So second part, reason. Okay, let's look at the reason now. Side, double bar, given. We look at the given one first, okay? Then there's a side, another side here. Okay. And then, what else do they give you? They give you angle. No, they are not given any angle. They are only given 36, but the other one you are not sure that if they are 36. So we are given 90 degree. You can see this 90 degree. Here is 90 degree, therefore here is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Okay, so this is angle. Okay, but we cannot say that this is SSA because this is, since this is a right angle. Okay, since it's a right angle, so this is RHS. Okay, right angle. Because this side over here, double bar here is your hypotenuse, so you can change it to H, hypotenuse, and it's given side. So this is RHS. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Okay, so the first one, right angle. Okay, so angle of KML is equals to 132, so it's angle of KML 132, so it's NMP. Okay, so this one is given 90 degree. Okay, it's given 90 degree because they are giving you the 90 degree, so the other one is 90 degree also. Okay, so H hypotenuse, KL equals to NP because it's given, and the other one is side, which is KM equals to NM. Okay, given. So this is right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Okay, so since they are congruent, we already proved that they are congruent by RHS here. So part 3, we can confirm that X is it equals to 36? Nope, it's not 36. Because why? You see, this is your second one. This is your second one, 2. L is 36. So the other one must be 2. P, 36. So this is the one that is 36. So your X is equals to 180 minus 90 minus 36 because of the triangle. So you get a 54 degree. Okay, please tick the answer. Okay, now part D. Okay, part D. Which triangle and which triangle is the same? Okay, we number them first. Okay, V and T. Okay, first one. The second one, R here. Okay, so it's S here. the short one first, and then the long one, the third one. So the third one is here. Okay, since it's the same, maybe I can write down in different color. Okay, first one, and the first one here, second, third. So this one will be a second, and then third. Okay, so triangle of VRS is congruent to triangle of TSR. Okay, numbering is not necessary. Okay, it's up to you. If you can see it by alphabet, go ahead. Okay, numbering is for maybe some of you need easier for you to easier to see, so numbering might be easy for you. Okay, so let's see if they are congruent with any reason. Okay, here we have right angle, but we are not given any hypotenuse, so this one considered as angle. And then we have another angle here, 32 and 32, so it's also angle. But side, do we say that this 9 and this x considered as our reason S? No, because we are given 9, but the other one we are given x, and it's not even tells you that it's 9. Okay, so our S that we have to name for the reason is this common one, S. Okay, so angle, and it's not included, this side is not included between two triangles. Okay, see this, if I break down, it will be like this 90 degree, and then this side is given, and then we are given the 32 is here. This is VRS. So this is angle side. Okay, angle side. Okay, so first angle, okay, R213. Okay, I'll write down 213. RVS is equals to triangle of angle of STR. Okay, RVS STR is given 90 degree. Okay, and then we have another angle. We have another angle here, angle of VSR equals to angle of TRS. Okay, because it's given 32 degree. And then you have another, the side RS equals to SR because it's a common side. Okay, so this is angle side. This is your part 1 answer. This is your part 2 answer. Then we have our part 3 answer, which is x. So since we already proved that they are congruent, so x is equals to 9 centimeter. Okay, it's the same. Okay. E and F. Okay, let's look at E and F. So part A, triangle of PST, and then triangle of VWT. Okay, triangle of PST congruent with triangle of VWT. Okay, why is that congruent? The reason here. Okay, let's look at the reason. We are given side same. Given same. This side and this side is also same. Okay, and then we have 90 degree. So this is R, right angle, because we are given hypotenuse, and then we are given another side. So this one we use RHS. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Right angle, hypotenuse, and this side. Okay, so the right angle here is angle of PTS equals to triangle of angle of VTW, and it's given 90 degree. Okay, and then we have hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is PS equals to VW. It's given. And then we have side. ST equals to WT. Given 3 cm. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. This is part 1, part 2, and then we have part 3. The answer for x is 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 25 degree. Because this 25, here is also 25. Then the answer is 65 degree. Okay, now part F. Part F here. Okay. Which triangle and which triangle is the same? Is the congruent? Okay, let's see. So we can see that OCN and this triangle over here. Okay, let's number them. If O is your first one, then A is your first one. If your N is your second one, your N will be also your second one. Your third one C, your third one is B. So triangle of O and C is congruent with triangle of A and B. Okay. Move to the other side first. Okay, now CON angle. Okay, numbering. Okay, numbering already. So angle given, angle, and then side here given, same. But we cannot say the other side here x and 4 cannot, because they are not saying that they are the same. So we use this as our angle because they are vertically opposite angle. They did not mentioned here they are the same, but we can say they are the same because it's a vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle are equal. Okay, so CON is the same as angle of BAN is given. Okay, and then we have side. This side angle side. This is angle side, by the way. Okay, angle side, because the side is not included between two angles. Okay, so the second one is angle of O and C, angle of A and B. Reason is vertically opposite angle. Okay, and then the last one is CN equals to BN given same side. So this is angle side. Okay, first part, second part, so third part. Therefore, we can say that our x is equals to 4 centimeter now. Okay. Okay, last one, number 9. Number 9 did not ask you to state the reason, so it must be very short. So PQS is congruent to QPR. Okay, so P, see the triangle first. PQS is congruent to QPR. Okay, so A, finding value of PR. Okay, so PR here will be the 2 to 3 will be the same as this 2 to 3 here. So it's equals to 5 plus 3, which is 8 centimeter. Okay, you drew yourself first for this question. Okay, asking to find PR, and then you need to find value of P, because here they find PR, PX, and Y. So value of P is the same as the other one over here, but you are not given here. So but then you are given 78, so this is also 78. So P is 180 minus 66 minus 78. is equals to 36. I do this fast, but then you can pause the video and try to do and calculate yourself. Okay, so we have PR, we have P. They're asking to find X also, so X is the same as P. Okay, you see this angle and this angle is the same, so it's also 36. Okay, so finding Y, your Y is 6 centimeter because it's the same here, 6 and 6. Okay. Okay. Part B. Finding the same thing, PR. Okay, let's look at PR again. A numbering first. So ASQ, same is congruent to ARP, Okay, so finding PR. PR is over here, 3, 2, so it's the same as QS, 3, 2 also. So it's 2 plus 3, which is 5 centimeter. Then finding P. What is your P angle? Your P angle, not enough information, but P is also equals to here, and this angle here, if you can see this triangle, 180 minus 50 minus 90 equals to this angle, which is the same as P also. So therefore P is 180 minus 90 minus 50 is equals to 40 degree. Okay, and for value of X, okay, how about value of X? Okay, so value of X is 3 here, right? 3, so it's also here 3, so it's also 90 degree. Okay, so it's also 90 degree. So Y. Okay, so Y here is 1, 3. So we look at 1, 3 here. Okay, so 1, 3 here. You're not given anything, but you're given 6.5. Okay, you're given 6.5. Okay, let's see what do they give you more. Okay, they give you 2 here. This is also 2. Or you can say that this is 6.5. This is also 6.5. So Y is 6.5 minus 2. So it's equals to 4.5. Okay, so today quite a long lesson. Okay, but I hope you guys can understand what congruence means and can do this as a revision for congruence. Okay, all right, that's all from me today. Thank you. See